Now the topic before us is questions to be avoided by the interviewer. There are certain type of questions that are improper and unprofessional and which the interviewer should not ask the candidate during the interview. We will give below certain examples of the those questions which should not be asked by the interviewer. The interviewer should not ask the candidate the questions relating to the age, race, or religion of the candidate. Then there are certain questions which pertain to the personal health or family health issues. These questions should also not be asked. Then the questions relating to the marital status, family planning, or pregnancy should be avoided by the interviewer. Then the interviewer should avoid the questions relating to the applicant's financial situation or credit history. Those questions which are not related to the job or the company, such as political affiliations or hobbies, should also be avoided by the interviewer. So far as the interview process is concerned, the interviewer should ask only those questions which are job related or which pertain to the qualification, skills, or the working experience of the candidate. Asking inappropriate questions during an interview also damages the reputation of the interviewer. Now we will conclude this course. As an interviewer, it is essential to create a positive and professional impression on the potential candidate during the interview. The following tips can help the interviewer conduct successful interviews and select the best candidate for the job. The interviewer can prepare a list of the questions that are relevant to the job position and the company. The interviewer should create a positive and welcoming atmosphere for the interviewee. Interviewer should listen carefully to the response of the candidates. He should use behavioral questions to assess the candidate's skills and past performance. He should use follow-up questions to gain more in-depth insights into the candidate's experience, skills, and qualifications. He should also pay attention to the non-verbal cues and the body language of the candidate to understand the candidate's personality. The interviewer should provide feedback to the candidate and follow up after the interview. Interviewer should evaluate each candidate on the basis of job requirements and qualifications rather than personal preferences or biases. He should avoid any discrimination with the candidate on the basis of age, gender, race, or national origin. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.